Welcome to the installation video for the Kenmore Flip Control Front Load Dryer, SKU number 9-81392-3. When moving the user interface from the top to the bottom, be sure that you do so before stacking the units. The only tool you will need for this installation is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Start by pushing in the back portion of the tab to reveal the screw. Then remove the screw on the bottom right-hand corner of the bottom panel. Once the screw is removed, slightly tap the panel to the right and remove it. After removing the bottom panel, follow the same procedure for the top control panel. Remove the screw, gently move the panel to the right, and then carefully disconnect the harness on the left-hand side. You will notice there is an additional trim piece that will need to be removed. After setting that aside, take the panel from the lower portion, slide it into place, being sure to line up the tabs, and now tap it to the left. Then you'll need to replace the screw that you removed earlier. Once the screw is in place, replace the trim piece on the top of the unit. After replacing the panel, the two units can be stacked using the proper stacking kit. When replacing the control panel, start by connecting the harness on the left-hand side. Line up the tabs and gently push the panel to the left. Once the panel has been put into place, replace the screw on the right-hand side. After the screw is in place, it's time to check for power and functionality. After checking for functionality, the job is complete.